G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. And in this episode, we get our first in-person look at the Chevrolet C1500 and also the Buick Skyllock. Bought these cars from Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds. Make sure you check out Randy's channel and subscribe to it if you haven't already. It's a great channel. I'm a subscriber. And yeah, let's go and have a look at these vehicles. So here's the Chevrolet 1500. It's pretty well as I expected. A couple little dings here and there, which I knew it had. There's a few little dings along the door, parking dents. This is where the fifth wheel, I guess, is mounted in the back. But yeah, it's cool. It's got a bend liner in it. This is the obviously an inner wheel or maybe a lower valance piece. And the roof I know is quite faded, so that needs to be painted, but pretty cool machine. Need to clean up that door trim there. I might even see if I can get another door trim on this side in that red color. I think they make a lot of parts for these things. They're pretty popular. Love the interior. It's in really good condition. And as I said, I got these from Randy at Auto Auction Rebuilds. So I think, yeah, really happy. Haven't started it up or anything like that, but just nice to finally have it arrive. It's a bit different from the XG Falcon Ute, that's for sure. It's got high mileage on it, but I think it runs pretty well and it's well optioned. And the seats are in really good nick. They're not worn or anything, so yeah, very cool. Power windows, locks, mirrors. 98 model it is. Nice wheels, great colour scheme. It's got a bit of a dent in the bonnet there. It's got to be sorted out. Cool front end. Very cool. And I knew also down here it's got this dent in the door, so I'll get Brian to attend to that. Got your bit of homemade badging there. And it's a space cab as well, so you got the extra room in the back with the extra seats and things. So, you know, it's really cool. Very cool. Some stuff in there. Yeah, that's cool. The so roof console, the lights and the sunglasses holder and all that sort of stuff. That's kind of cool. That lens is in the console, so that's good. Yeah, it's a nice clean, good clean, but I think it's a really cool truck. Thanks, Randy. I'm happy with the purchases. That'll certainly be a handy load lugger. Oh, it's got a cool tow bar on the back of it as well. Heyman Reese. Not sure how compatible that is with what we use in Australia, but soon find out. It just needs some minor touching up, but I think that'll be a pretty straightforward thing to do. So this CK series is the fourth generation of the Chevrolet trucks, and they were made from 1988 to 2002. They're marketed through Chevrolet and also GMC. But yeah, I remember when they came out. I was in America in 1988. I remember seeing these brand new and you know, flush glass and quite aero sort of styling at the time. It was very much a really advanced truck, good looking truck. I remember being in a diner once in the middle of the US somewhere, like Montana or somewhere like that, and just seeing a guy drive up in a four-wheel drive one of those and thinking, wow, that's a terrific looking truck. You know, there's still a good looking truck today, I reckon. And they had a variety of different engines, but the one in mind is the Vortec 350 V8, 5.7 petrol. So yeah, pretty cool. The Buick Skyllock. Looks like Groucho Marx, another car from Randy. I've got a replacement front lens for it. Need to stick that back on there. Bit of tape or whatever. Need some touching up here. These really weird, bit of mould in here as well from its journey. These weird seat belts. Look at how it's faded, changed colour from the. It's odd. And a really weird dashboard. Very strange cantilever design. Solid little doors. There's a hubcap. I don't know how many hubcaps. Oh yeah, it seems to have all its hubcaps, which is good. A little bit of rust here and there in it, but as I expected. It's a very solid little car, actually. Tail lights at the back there. Buick. Very, bit of clear coat off there. It's got the old brush for the snow. Get the snow off the screen. I don't think I'll be needing that. I like this cool blanket in the back here. This is like a Mexican blanket. Or Indian blanket, maybe. One of the two. Indian, Mexican. Which one is it? Indian or Mexican? That's really cool. There's some paint loss there, but that's kind of clear coat. I can get that. Brian will fix that, no problem. Yeah, it's cool. I tried to get a new windscreen for it. Definitely needs a good clean inside. I tried to get there's a bit of background noise here, but it is what it is. I tried to get a new windscreen fitted to it, but it was rusty underneath, so I'm going to get that repaired. And I've actually now got a brand new windscreen coming for it. And we'll get Brian to attend to that. And then Stu can put the screen in it. So but that's the little Buick Skyllock. And in terms of the Buick Skyllock, the model I've got, the basic body style, it's the 7th generation, and it was released in 1992, went till 1998. I think mine's about a 94 model. And it was influenced by a Bolero concept car in 1990. That's where they got a lot of the ideas from. And it's just a weird looking car. Mine's just the 4-cylinder version, which is the quad 4. And it's a 2.3 litre 4-cylinder. So I think that it's overhead cam engine, puts out about 120 horsepower or 89 kilowatts. So it's not a powerhouse, but yeah, it's a pretty cool little car, I reckon. Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode on the Chevrolet 98 C1500 and also the Buick. I think it's a 94 model Buick Skyllock. Very weird looking car. It reminds me of Groucho Marx. As I mentioned before, make sure you do subscribe to Auto Auction Rebuild. Check out Randy's channel. And please also give this episode a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as well, so don't miss out on a future episode. We'll be tracking the progress on both the Chevrolet and the Buick as time goes on, so make sure you don't miss those future episodes. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.